Hi, my name is Laura and I'm a therapist here at Restore Life, and today we are talking to one of our current patients, Jacqueline, about her experience with us here. Jacqueline, do you want to give us a little bit of your backstory before you came?
Of course. So I have a very athletic background. I've been involved with racing motocross. That's my passion, and professionally for the last, a total of 15 years. So I've been on the bike, I box for cross training, skateboard, and then 2 jobs that I work. I bartend and serve at a restaurant, so I'm constantly, on my feet.
Right. And what brought you to us here? What were you suffering from?
I was suffering from learning that I was bone on bone in my right knee, after being told by the orthopedic that we're just gonna, get you with a cortisone shot, here's some pain meds, and then we're gonna scope it. And I wanted a lasting result. I didn't want a temporary fix and put a Band-Aid on it.
So how was your pain at that time affecting what you were able to do as far as activity, because you are so active on a daily basis?
Let's just say I didn't realize how much chronic pain I was in daily till I was out of it, which has been since from coming here at Restore Life and getting the stem cell, the PRP, and the laser therapy. It played prior to being here. I couldn't work out even just my regular shifts at work. My knees would swell, I'd get a little bit of a limp, and it's just really limited. Obviously I wasn't riding, I had to stop boxing, just everything. It just felt like my life was coming to an end at 30, and I'm an active person. I'm always on the go, I have a lot of energy, so I wanted to get that taken care of.
Absolutely. Before you came here, on a scale of 1 to 10, where would you have placed your pain level?
Oh, 10 plus.
Where are you now?
We're not even like hitting a 1.
Yay. At that time, were you receiving any treatments?
No, other than just putting my own ice on it or heat. That's it. Acupuncture I'd go get. Sometimes that would help, but it would always be back.
Okay, so it wasn't super effective.
Nothing effective, no.
And how did you find out about Restore Life?
Thankfully, my dad and all of his research and and just looking up things, and he stumbled across, and the second we walked in the door, it was such a godsend to be here around people that actually care about humans, their well-being.
What are you able to do now that you have been with us for a while and had treatments that you were not able to do before? Before you came to us, I mean, is daily work activity?
Oh, just daily.
Easier?
Even the simple activity of when I have to bend down to get something, like I'm not having the pain or the tightness. And even when I wear heels, I don't have, like, my IT bands don't get tight anymore like the day after. So, and that's always happened to me. And it's just crazy, like the tiniest little of tasks and daily things that you don't even pay attention to. Even I live on the 3rd floor of my apartment complex. Walking up the stairs, I don't have that inside knee pain anymore. And I mean, it's amazing.
That's awesome. And you are currently pretty active, still doing yoga
Mm-hmm.
and other types of classes, right?
Correct.
And how is that going for you?
It's awesome. Everything. I'm just waiting to get back on the bike. So
Good. Well, we're so glad that you're doing so well, and it has been a joy to have you here. And thank you for sitting down with me for a minute and talking about your results.
oh, thank you guys.